Hello, everybody. I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Computing Academy, and welcome back to another video as well. In this video, I'm going to talk about virtualizable CPU versus non virtualizable CPU. So, you have to stay tuned with me till the end of this video for complete information. Now, let's start our today's video. But before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on my valuable content. Okay, let's come to our topic, which is virtualizable CPU. Let's talk about it in detail. All of sensitive instructions are privilege instructions, and we can call this kind of CPU as virtualizable CPU. And for virtualizable CPU, it is quite easy to implement hypervisor, as I talked about this term in the previous video. So if you don't have any knowledge about it, you can watch my previous videos as well. All you have to do is to put hypervisor in privilege mode and guest OS in non-privilege mode. When guest OS wants to execute sensitive instructions, and the execution will be trapped to hypervisor, which is running on privilege mode automatically. And by this way, we can make sure that there is no chance for guest OS to change any important hardware resource directly. All important hardware resource is under management by hypervisor. Then we have an example of virtualizable CPU. An example includes IBM Power PC, and the second one is IBM S390, which is CPU for IBM mainframe. Then we have non-virtualizable CPU. Firstly, we talked about virtualizable CPU, and now I'm going to talk about non-virtualizable CPU in detail. And in non-virtualizable CPU, we will talk about privilege insensitive. Whole circle is a set of all instructions. You can see non-privilege area and the privilege area, and the center one is filled with sensitive. Some sensitive are non-privileged, which is non-virtualizable CPU. Now you can see the whole circle is a set of all instructions, and sensitive but non-privileged instruction is the problem. We call sensitive but non-privileged instruction as critical instruction. What is it called? It is critical instruction. Let's talk about non-virtualizable CPU more. Some of sensitive instructions are privileged instructions, but some of instructions are non-privileged instructions, and we call this kind of CPU as non-virtualizable CPU. And for non-virtualizable CPU, it is hard to implement hypervisor. If you put hypervisor in privilege mode and guest OS in non-privilege mode, when guest OS wants to execute sensitive instructions, for those privilege insensitive instructions, they will be trapped into hypervisor, which is running on privilege mode automatically. Then we have critical instruction that annoy us. Critical instruction can be executed in privilege mode and non-privilege mode. And the behaviors of critical instructions in privilege mode and non-privilege mode are different. So it will cause different problems. As a result, hypervisor designers have to let critical instructions be trapped to hypervisor and let hypervisor emulate their behaviors. So this was all about virtualizable CPU and non-virtualizable CPU. Hope you will like my today's video, and if you like it, do share it with others as well. Stay tuned with me for my upcoming videos about different topics, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care, everybody.